Explain SPM 2007 question. This is not difficult at all. You're given equation of straight line AB as this. Okay, now P lies on AB such that the ratio is 1:3. But the thing is, you need to first find coordinate point A and B. We can. I know some people may want to do this at x-axis y0, y-axis x0. We can do that. But I think one of the easiest way, in my opinion, is to change to intercept form. But I bring 8 over, I get -8. I divide everybody by -8. So x over -4 plus y divide -8, the result is 1. I need to divide -8 to get 1. Remember, x over a plus y over b equals to 1. Number 1, this must be exactly 1, positive, and this must be a plus. So that's why I put x first, I put y later. I can see clearly that my x-intercept is -4. So a is -4, 0. My y-intercept is -8. My b is 0 minus 8. Right? Not difficult, right? And with that, maybe I write here for you, -4, 0. With that, we can use the ratio theorem, right? Use the ratio theorem. How to find coordinate point P? We take 3 times -4 plus 1 times 0, total ratio 1 plus 3. 3 times 0, 1 times -8, total ratio 1 plus 3. This is -12 divided by 4, -3, -8 divided by 4, -2. Okay? Can? And once you know P, how do you find equation of a straight line that passes through P perpendicular to AB? Yeah, find the gradient. You notice it's kind of the same, right? That whatever we've been doing. So find the gradient AB. Now gradient AB is also not difficult to find. We can actually change this to y equal mx plus c. Yeah, or you can use negative. Yes, negative y-intercept over x-intercept, which is -2, right? Or you can just bring it over y equals mx plus c. Straight away I can see it's -2. Yeah. Okay, so but your m2, m1 dot m2 is -1. My m2 is now 1/2. To form the equation straight line, remember we use y minus y1. This is your y1 now, because it's passes through P. M x minus x1. My x1 is -3. So I like to times this over. 2y plus 4 is x plus 3. 2y is x minus 1. Yeah, I can stop here.